my YouTube channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. And in today's video, I have another cutesy short little video on me installing this wig. I'm just going to be doing a review, a nice little chill review install for you guys on this Amazon wig that was sent to me. This bob wig. So yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, just go ahead and keep watching the video. Okay, y'all, I know I look crazy, but we have another wig. So I got this wig from Lee Chang Hair. It is a 12-inch bob, 13x4. It is a full lace frontal wig, which means it has the complete lace. And you're going to see me when I see I'm going to be shocked, because I literally was talking about this in my last video. Like, this is the lace I was talking about when I say full lace. But it was 180 density. And the wig was thick. It wasn't bad, like blocky thick, but it was thick. It was a good density. I did go ahead and bleach the knots, even though it was a jet black wig. But I like how it turned out last time, so I went ahead and bleached the knots again, so I wouldn't have to put so much makeup on the wig. Also, the wig is really soft, and when I mean soft soft to a point where I was able to change the hairstyles and it still was soft and bouncy after I added the curls and added a lot of hairspray to it. So it is soft and it does hold up to its potential. I would give this wig a 10 out of 10 just because it literally fit every criteria that I wanted it to. It was thick, it was full lace, it was soft, it didn't shed, it lasted. So, all in all, for me, this was a good wig. So, I'm going to go ahead and let you guys finish watching the video. If you like this video, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Cause you know that's why I want to be. They say time here. This fool Anthony right here, and he said, listen, I'm from the tricks, we got a whole lot of tricks, you got a whole lot of tricks, and I wanna see what you do. Say that she been noticing he ain't me. If I ever made you angry, girl, just know that it get better every time. Best kept secret. They say time is. She can't see her life without me. She's so blasted. Fuck that nigga, you can tell him that you must it. And she don't wanna go to sleep, she angry. Say that she been noticing he